Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with Dopey Addiction Adventures. And as I mentioned in the video before, today is binge. Instead of binge watching, we're binge opening. Woohoo! So either sit back with a cup of coffee and watch straight through, or if I decide to post these like every day just to give me some time, then yeah, hang in there with me. So this one, I have no idea what it is. So I haven't even begun to fill out my diamond painting review sheet. As I said before, if anybody wants this review sheet, it is definitely open for anyone to be able to use. So feel free to message me your email address and I'll email it as soon as possible to you. You can tweak it however you want. It's not like copywritten or anything. I just took a little bit of everything that I liked from a lot of different review sheets and put it into one. So I'd love to share it with you. If you don't want to share your email on YouTube, totally get that. I am in a couple of the groups. I think I'm in, well, I know I'm in like Donnie's group. I'm in Gone Off With Your Meds group. I'm in Think Winnie group. I'm also in Diamond Painting Underground. Think Diamond Painting Madness. Yeah, so just kind of try to find me in one of the groups and feel free to private message me and I can send you. All right, so let's get this open. I have no idea what it is. I knew I bought a bunch on the 11th and they're just starting to come in. The 11th is kind of, if you do some research, their big shopping day in China. And so that's why, oh, so this is one that I actually won on AliExpress. So people continue to ask. So I have to look up after this video and I'll post it down below who this came from because I won it. So in AliExpress, if you go, I can't show you because my phone's recording, but if you go to AliExpress, on the home page, the middle of the 5 icons, if you're looking on your phone, is like a coin or something, and then on the left is like a freebie, and if you click one of the freebies, it then opens you up into things that you can register to win for free. Normally the companies only have 5 or 6 that they're selling, or I mean giving away, and then there's like anywhere from 5,000 to 18 to 20,000 people depending on how popular the item is, trying to get those 4 or 5 or 6 things that the company is giving away for free. Excuse me while I get a drink. Pardon me. So, every day you can register for 2 or put your name in for 2 freebie things. So every day that I remember, so maybe 4 days a week, I go in and register for 2 free things. So that's like 8 times a week that I could potentially get something free. So one of those things was this diamond painting, and I did it just because it was a diamond painting. I thought, hey, it's free, whatever. So when I won it, you have to pay 1 penny, which is fine, to help them get everything in the system and registered. So all that to say, long story short, this is my freebie. And then they do ask, it's not just for free, they do ask that you do a review. So this is my review. All right, so he's really cute. This is Dopey from Snow White. It's a 20 by 30. It's 32 colors for a 20 by 30. Look at all these colors. It comes with a standard kit, this white tray, which I actually really like this tray. It's slightly different than the ones that come from Can. And let me show you. You can tell the difference because Oh, it comes with little baggies. And these are actually, even though they're small, quality bags. Good job. Okay. It came with, it is square. It came with bent tweezers and wax and a single placer. And I like these. These are a little bit bigger. Home Fun, Anna Store. Sorry, don't really recommend them, but I did buy from them for a while. And this is the Hurricane one. Fits a little bit inside. So these are slightly bigger, and you can tell a difference because the underneath part, one's smooth and one has the ridges. But I do like this a little bit better because it's a little bit sturdier. Anyway, I was just kind of, yay, I got another one of those because I like them. So I'm going to pause, well, not pause, I'm going to speed up the process and do inventory real quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, and we're back. Oh my gosh, these colors are so vibrant, and the packaging is readable. It's sturdier packaging, so you don't have to fear that it will rip. Everything did come. There is a quality stamp up here, so we are good to go as far as drills are concerned. So I'm going to come over here. And there's zero price because, and there's no date purchased, but I will put date 1 and when I received it. So drills, I'm going to give it 1 star because the packaging was readable, quantities all there. Shipping time, I know I got it in a decent time, even though I can't remember advertising of the product and overall impression. I didn't really buy, so it defaults to 1. So yeah, let's look at the canvas. Let's see here. It did come on a big foam roll, which is great. This tape that they use is really cool. It's doesn't leave a sticky residue. I really like it. I'm loving these bigger foam pieces. I just finished watching a video where Ella uses it kind of as a divider in some of her storage, so I thought that was a cool idea. So I'll have to look into that. What I also liked about this is I just got done in my last video talking about how scared I was of these little ones. So it's nice that I won this one so I can test out the little ones. And just kind of see. I think what scares me is I have a hedgehog video I'll put in right here that I ordered from Amazon while I was waiting to receive some of my AliExpress orders right after I found diamond painting. And I just now fear anything small because those hedgehogs, you don't even know they're hedgehogs. So back to this 25 by 30 full square. They are symbols. They're not really letters, if you can see. So I feel like you either have companies that do pretty like symbols, or you have companies that do letters and numbers, and then they have a couple symbols. But even those symbols are within the letter registry. You know, like if you're typing on a keyboard. That's kind of what I think of. Where these symbols you wouldn't find on a keyboard. Okay. I also like the key on the side is really big. So I don't need my glasses for it. So yeah, let's look at Dopey. So I think he's going to be cute. I don't think I would buy this one just because, I mean, I'm into Disney, but I don't decorate with Disney. However, I think he's going to turn out pretty cute. You can see his little lantern and you can see his, you know, pickaxe. And I think his green coat's gonna look really cute. So yeah, it looks like the shading's really nice too. I like the fact that they used a different type of off-white or white. Let me try to get this back down. This is kind of like putting on mascara. Like, you can't talk or anything. You gotta really concentrate. And like when you put on mascara, you open your mouth. You ever notice that? So that you can stretch your eyes and stuff. So I didn't get it perfectly on there. So I'm gonna have to like put some washi tape because I don't want sticky stuff on the outside. So yeah, I'd say canvas, I'm gonna give a 0.75. Again, that's the highest rating it can get, being this kind of canvasy canvas. That's kind of sounds weird, but so all in all, this got 4 3/4 star for the unboxing, which for something free is awesome. And the size was 25 by 30 centimeters. Let me measure it real quick. It's always the part I forget. And I can see through the opaque a little bit, so I'm measuring the actual drill area. It is just under 25, so I'll round up to 25. It's like 24 7/8 by almost 30 dead on. It's like 29 and 1, 2, yeah, it's like almost 30. Like you sneeze and it's 30. So drill area is 24.78 times 30. So they're pretty close. I mean, true to the pasting area versus the canvas size, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm going to clean up my space and then I'm going to do one more unboxing. So I don't know if I'll post the unboxing after this, depending on if I can get the computer away from my husband or if it'll be in a couple days. But I need to record it. So take care and talk to you soon. Be blessed, everyone.